right, guys, real short lesson today, 118, estimating area. This is basically just getting you to eyeball area and give it a whirl. Look on page 637. This is lesson 118, the circle you see there. We're just looking at that and going, how big is this circle? And if you look at that drawing, you can see that all those squares inside there, the pink ones are completely, you can just go ahead and add those together and put that in there. With those like chunks of a square, you're not going to know exactly what that is, but you can at least do some kind of an estimate about how big that is. Okay, estimating sometimes when you're doing problems and you're going, oh man, this is tough. Give it a whirl first. Like give it a kind of a, I think it's going to be about this number or whatever. Then when you get the answer, you can kind of go, yeah, that's pretty close to what my estimate was. Or you can go, what? Something's going to be wrong. There's no way that that circle can have that many, or there's no way that that answer can have that many whatevers or whatever. So just estimating is always a good idea to do that first. So look at that one on the bottom of page 637. Well, 1 acre grid, there it is. Okay, a lake. Okay, well, how many acres is the lake? You could do this and estimate. You know, pause it right now. Okay, what's your estimate? Okay, I mean, you can look at this and look at the next page, 638, and figure out somewhere around how many acres. You can look at it that way. Okay, and that's basically it. That's the whole lesson. Look on, you can pause or you can just go with me here. Look at the bottom of page 638. The area of the paw print shown below just depends on, I'm not going to give you an answer. Just look at basically how many like squares does that paw print cover. Half of there, half of there. It's got to be something reasonable. You know it's going to be less than 25 because there's 25 squares in there total. So I'd say somewhere maybe around half of there, maybe 2/3 or something like that. So it's about that. Okay. Finish up lessons today. By the way, make sure you are doing each week the practice problems at the very beginning, like those skill sets that you do, the warm-ups. Really important that you do that. You want to make yourself as fast as humanly possible on those types of problems in the pink, because when you're doing algebra, pre-algebra, and algebra 1 and algebra 2 and all this stuff, man, you don't even mess with this stuff at all. You don't want to be sitting there going, okay, 8 times 7, okay, wait, 12 times, no. Or 1/3 of 20, I don't know, let's see. You just want to be focusing on the X's and Y's, not on, oh, what was my arithmetic again? Saxon will make sure that you get this right. Only works if you do it, okay? So make sure you're doing that. Okay. See you guys next time. Bye.